Cordyceps fungus invades living insects and hijacks their brain completely. Infected ants climb exactly 25 centimeters, then lock their jaws permanently. The fungus controls muscles directly. The ant's brain is already irrelevant. At solar noon, fruiting body erupts violently through the ant's skull. Each spore cloud infects up to 40 new ants within a single hour. Healthy ants detect infected nestmates and carry them far away immediately. Cordyceps compounds now treat human cancers, transplant rejection, and brain tumors. Over 600 Cordyceps species exist, one specific species per specific host insect.